Hello there, travelers, and welcome to the All-Star Sports Resort in Disney World. I wanted to show you guys my room today, so come on in. All right, so here is the room. So this is one of the All-Star Sports Resorts, but this is one of the more affordable options for staying in Disney. Personally, when we come to Disney, we like to stay at more affordable options because we're hardly ever in the room anyway. But they just refurbished this not too long ago, and the rooms are really, really awesome. So I wanted to show you what it looks like. So first off, we do actually have 2 beds in this room. So here is one queen size bed, but this also comes down as a Murphy bed as well, so you can stick 2 couples in here if you want. There's also this like dining table. We're using this clearly as a place to store our luggage. So not much dining will be on there, but it's nice to know that we could eat in here if we needed to. And then over here, we have our little kitchenette. We've got a little couple snacks up here. But it does have a coffee maker, it has an ice holder, and it also has a refrigerator, which is amazing. We all love refrigerators in a room. So let's go ahead and head on over to the main sleeping area. So over here we have our bed. So this is, I believe, a queen size bed. Both Jamie and I slept on this comfortably last night. It also has 2 separate nightstands, blanking on the words here, and those lights do light up as well. Tons of plugs, tons of USBs, so really great options for all your charging abilities. And then over here we have our TV stand and our TV. Lots of drawers, so there's also a safe as well, which is super important. And then a TV. So let's go ahead and head on into the bathroom. Alright guys, so this is the bathroom. So again, you'll have to, I'm going to apologize probably a few times for the mess that we have here. But this is the bathroom. Here's the closet area right here, and it's pretty big, as you can tell. There's also some storage area over here, as you can tell. I'm already using that. It also has an ironing board over here and an iron if you ever need to iron anything. And here's this huge sink area. I'm actually super impressed with how big this sink area is and how, I don't know, it's just new. It feels really good. I know that this particular resort has been around for a while, but the refurbishment was definitely needed, and I think you can tell, and both Jamie and I are impressed with our hotel room. So this is definitely one of the spaces that I'm most impressed with. But then we also have our shower in here along with our toilet. So again, pretty basic, but it's nice. It's anything you ever wanted. So yeah, and it came out with a lot of towels and pretty much everything you need. I also wanted to mention that this is one of the preferred hotel rooms, and by that I mean that it's close to the main hotel lobby, which is where the restaurant is. There's an arcade, there's also a pool area, and also a lot of fun play areas for kids if you do have young ones. There's fields and sports fields out there that people can play ball with, and I saw some kids last night playing. So it looks like a good time, especially for younger kids, but that's basically what a preferred room means, is just closer to the amenities. But yeah, so that is our room. We're really loving it so far. Again, we're not in our hotel rooms very often, so for us it's worth it to not stay in one of the more extravagant hotels. While those are so amazing and I've loved my experience in every single hotel on Disney, the All-Stars really is great. We had a comfortable sleep. It's been really nice. Everything is refurbished, so I'm super impressed by this hotel room and also the grounds. So if I had to give this a star rating, I would probably actually rate it 3.5 to 4 out of 5 stars because it's refurbished, it's clean, everybody has been so nice. There's all the amenities that you ever need. As I said earlier, a pool, a restaurant, all sorts of stuff. So really this is a great hotel, especially if you have kids. super easy to navigate, so I would highly recommend it. But there you go, guys. That is my hotel room at All Star Sports. Give this a big thumbs up if you loved it and want to see more hotel reviews. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye and happy travels.